Are you in search of residential architects near HBR Layout? Look no further, because SconDesign is here to fulfill all your architectural dreams. With their expertise in designing stunning residential spaces, SconDesign has become the go-to firm for homeowners in HBR Layout and its surrounding areas. Their team of talented architects is known for their innovative and unique designs that perfectly blend functionality with aesthetics. Whether you're looking to remodel your existing home or build a brand new one, SconDesign will guide you through the entire process, from conceptualization to completion. With their attention to detail and commitment to quality, you can trust SconDesign to bring your vision to life. One of the greatest advantages of choosing residential architects near HBR Layout is their in-depth knowledge of the local area. SconDesign understands the unique characteristics of HBR Layout and can design a home that perfectly suits the neighborhood's style and ambience. They take into account factors such as sunlight, wind direction, and views to create a space that maximizes natural light and provides breathtaking vistas. Whether you want a modern, minimalist design or a traditional, elegant look, SconDesign has the expertise to deliver exactly what you desire.